17th pre-competitive skill test. It was also the case that possibly on account of a misunderstanding of the law, the ECP did not make itself available for consultation as required under section 57 of the Elections Act 2017, the majority judgment said full stop unjustified suo motu, on the other hand, the minority view, given by justice, was that the suo motu was initiated with undue haste and was unjustified, full stop. There was no justification to invoke the extraordinary jurisdiction under Article 184(3) of the Constitution for initiating suo motu proceedings or entertain petitions under Article 184(3), since a single bench of the Lahore High Court has already decided the matter in favor of the petitioner on Feb 10, and the judgment was still in the field, full stop. New paragraph. In addition to the ordinary training manuals and printed job instructions, many companies also issue handbooks outlining the workers' rights, privileges, and duties, full stop. 227 other business publications include periodic news bulletin and company newspapers, magazines, and technical journals to which employees contribute, full stop. Most large organizations operate suggestion system which make awards for employees written suggestions for improving the work, full stop. Some heads of organizations also make it a practice to address letters to employees at their homes congratulating them on their job performance, on the celebration of an anniversary, or on the achievement of some community honor, full stop. New paragraph. The list is, by no means, exhaustive, and it should not, therefore, prevent the inspecting officers from looking into other aspects that, in his opinion, need attention for improving the efficiency of the organization, full stop. It is also not necessary for the inspecting officer to examine in detail all the points given in his list during a single inspection, full stop. He should, however, cover as far as possible, the entire field, so that he is in a position to judge whether his organization is functioning efficiently, full stop. Inspections, as a rule, have a generally salutary effect, but useful results can only be achieved if the inspecting officers is thorough, the searching in his observation, and gives constructive and helpful advice to his subordinates for rectifying shortcomings and defects.